Organic shampoo. Organic shampoos are relatively easy to come by and you have plenty of options on the market if you want to try them out. What's more, is that an organic shampoo can offer immediate tangible benefits and really help you to see the benefits of switching to a more organic lifestyle. It's fun, it's easy and it's a great learning experience. Read on then and we'll take a look at how to find the best organic shampoo. Why use organic shampoo? The big benefit of an organic shampoo is that it is much kinder to your hair, your skin and your overall health. While you might not realize it, many of the unnatural shampoo and hair products you buy in stores will actually be doing more harm to your hair health than good. This is due to a number of factors. For starters, many synthetic, chemical-based shampoos will use much too astringent ingredients. These are designed to help remove the bacteria that can otherwise smell, while also helping to eliminate grease. The downside of that though is that they're often just too efficient. The result is that they can end up completely stripping the hair of all its natural moisture, which leaves it looking dry, coarse and more prone to splitting. This makes your hair instantly appear a lot less healthy, and the more you wash it, the worse it becomes. What's more, is that these ingredients can also end up stripping the skin of its natural moistures too. This is particularly true for the skin on your scalp of course, and it can lead to irritation, making your head flaky and itchy. Of course, this is one of the contributing factors to dandruff. Likewise, you'll also be rubbing your hands and your face with the shampoos, which means that they can also affect other parts of your skin, possibly even leading to acne and other blemishes. With all that in mind, let's take a look at how to find the best organic shampoo and conditioner. Making your own organic hair shampoo. Want to make your own organic hair shampoo? There are plenty of different ingredients and recipes you can use, each of which uses different natural ingredients to help you avoid chemicals and really support the natural health of your hair and scalp. Otherwise, another good recipe you can start right away is to use coconut milk, liquid castile soap, essential oils, peppermint, lavender, rosemary and orange are all good. For dry hair, add a little almond oil. Now just combine all the ingredients in an old shampoo bottle or jar. Shake well to mix and then keep in the shower for up to a month. Shake before each use and use about a teaspoon each time you wash your hair. While the coconut milk will moisturize your hair, the soap will kill off any bacteria and cleanse your scalp, and the essential oils will help to provide a pleasant smell. Use about 1/4 cup of coconut milk, 1/4 cup of soap and 20 drops for your essential oils.